car quits. Fall! You're watching Mafia TV. We film the hits, we show the real. For the drivers and promoters too, we bring the derby world to you. Still on still, no apologies. This is life in the derby scene.
Let's go. We're going to the guys that pulled through on this one. Dollar got the back of that. Duty blue caddy looking good. 4-0 RD is getting second for this. Little sloppy in the middle of the track there. Good stop there by the 4-RD. Remember, we're taking a and the heavy hitter. He's looking good in that caddy. Here comes that old Ford that came the man. Here comes Dan. Oh yeah, nice shot. And leaving the nose out there, it's looking good. Who's gonna let it eat? Here he comes, gonna let it eat. Yeah. Really fighting job there. What a fighting shot. Good battle here. 13B is up in the engine bay. Ronnie with a busted axle and a 914. Good shot there by Steve. If they can't get off the fire, we might be down to the final two. There's a 4-RD round there. Oh, Lincoln. Lincoln downtown. Remember, we get 1 minute to make a hit, so we gotta let them time out here while these guys trying to break free. The other two drivers, they're smart. They ain't gonna break them up. They ain't gonna do it. They made the feature. They know they're in the feature right now. Jake knows. Jake knows. They ain't gonna do it.
They're off the ground.
And any of these three drivers that don't feature, give it to them real time. And there you go. There's your heat winners. Jake Schaller, the B Blue Tech, 4RD, Billy Whitehead, and Mafia TV wins a Mad Dog, gonna be headed to the future. So the 13B and the 948, gonna have to pull it back together to make that conti.